Hi guys, this is Mary. You're watching Cardz TV. I recently got my subscription to the Close to My Heart Cut Above card kit. Now this kit comes with everything you need to make all these cute little cards. All you need is some adhesive and you're good to go. So I'm going to put together a few of these cards today to show you how much fun this is. And I'm going to speed it up and play some music and get some of these cards done out of this kit. So here we go. Here are 4 cards I made today using this awesome Close to My Heart Cut Above card kit that I get every 4 months. It's a subscription, and you get enough supplies to make 2 of each of these cards, and everything you need is in the kit except for adhesive. You get the stamp block, stamp pad, a mat to stamp on, and this awesome set of stamps, which has lots of different occasions on here. Everything you need, including the envelopes. Now, I'm going to give you a link so you can go and check this out at Linda's Close to My Heart site. I'm going to leave it right below this video here on YouTube and on my blog, cardstv.blogspot.com. So if you'd like to get the subscription like I do, she can help you out with that. This was so much fun, guys. I hope you had fun watching me put together these cards. Thank you all so much for coming by today. I love you all. God bless you all, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.